If you want to become a JLR specialist, or you are a JLR specialist, then you're going to need the genuine dealer diagnostic equipment and setup, just as they run in the dealerships. So today we're going to unbox three of the most popular items that you'll need to class yourself a specialist. They are the Bosch JLR DOIP VCI, a rugged laptop, and the all-important IDU2 device. So first of all, we're going to take a look at the JLR VCI. So this is the Bosch JLR DOIP VCI, DOIP for Diagnostic over Internet Protocol. So it was designed specifically for use with the Pathfinder software, which was then superseded by the TOPIx cloud. So we're just going to, before I get into the box and open the box, there's a lovely little sticker on here because this is the latest delivery that we've just taken of these devices. Now this informs me that it now incorporates the latest Wi-Fi dongle, and that's really quite important because the latest Wi-Fi dongle now means that it works with Windows 11. So again, it also says that you may need to update some of your software and some of your firmware as well, so just make sure that you're working with the most current latest versions of software. So inside the box, it's wrapped in this lovely cardboard sleeve and under a plastic cellophane cover. We just open this up just to slacken off this plastic, and then we reveal the VCI. So as you can see, the VCI here, it's got a lovely little glass screen on that displays the Jaguar Land Rover when it actually starts up, so you know obviously when it's powered. And we've got our left, right, up and down buttons, and we've also got a return button, and of course your 4 LEDs. Now our clever boffins in our tech support department have now featured a way of getting this particular device also working with the symptom-driven diagnostic software. So that's really good news for you as customers, because it now means instead of having two separate devices as in the JLR dealerships, you guys can now just make do with the one VCI for both your symptom-driven diagnostics and your latest TOPIx cloud. Also in the box we have a 1.5 meter DLC 16-pin OBD cable. So DLC into the vehicle. Obviously this then plugs directly into the top of the VCI. We also have a small Ethernet connection, so we can connect that at the base of the unit here and directly into your PC and laptop. Or an alternative method, we have a 10-foot here USB-A to USB-B cable, also plugged directly into the base of the unit and into your laptop. And here then we have that all really important new modified, updated and upgraded DWA Wi-Fi dongle. As I said, great for PCs now running Windows 11, so again, future-proofing you going forward. Also in there as well, we've got a small little flyer information on the D-Link, so that's the DWA dongle, and we have our big thick brochure and manual now in multiple languages. It's worthwhile just taking a few seconds just to scan through this, because there's some really useful bits of information in here, such as things like what to do if the screen locks out or the device locks up. There's a full hard factory reset in these instructions, so really worth just taking a few seconds to scan through. And that completes the kit contents for the JLR DOIP VCI. So let's take a look inside the box of our Maverick laptop. So it's worth noting, whilst I'm unboxing this, that this is an IP65 rated rugged laptop. It's a 14-inch screen. Inside the box, you'll see it's lovely, nicely protected with plenty of foam around the edges, really well packaged. You will see that it's Maverick Diagnostics branded. Again, really rugged and well built. It's got a lovely firm shut and open mechanism and clasp mechanism. Really big screen, fantastic keyboard, even for mechanics' fingers and hands. Plenty of space there around the trackpad. Again, another piece of protection for the battery, and the battery is provided inside the box separate, and that simply just slides in like so. Also in the box we have another cardboard box here with the mains power adapter and also the UK 3-pin kettle lead. And that concludes the items from the Maverick Diagnostics laptop. So we're just going to compare the specs now here of the Maverick Diagnostics laptop in comparison to what the JLR recommended specifications are. So JLR recommended specs were Windows 10 or 11 64-bit. The Maverick Diagnostics system runs on the very latest Windows 11 64-bit operating system. Jaguar Land Rover wanted a minimum of an i5 2.5 GHz processor. Here we have in the Maverick laptop the Ultra 7 latest processor, far superior than than the i5s of older generation. Jaguar Land Rover wanted a minimum of 8 gig of RAM or a recommended of 16. Here we have in the Maverick laptop the 32 gigabits of RAM. So again, double the amount of not just minimum spec, but doubling the recommended spec. We feel that this should future-proof you for the next 2 to 3 years. However, PC specs do move fairly quickly, especially in the automotive industry. So the hard drive, what we have here is a 512 gigabyte solid state drive. We compare that with the 320 gigabytes of recommended by the JLR SDD and TOPIx cloud software. So when it comes to the internet connection, JLR recommend a high-speed internet. What we've actually done with the Maverick laptop is we've actually fitted and designed this unit with 2, not just 1, we've fitted it with 2 RJ45 internet connections. So that's great if you want to hardwire your device via a LAN cable, but also have a stable LAN connection from your internet to your laptop. So not only have we spec'd the machine with 2 LAN sockets, but we've also, when we've designed this unit, we've taken into consideration legacy software as well as future proofing. So with that in mind, we have an RS232 connection, we have 3 USB connections, and we also have a USB Type-C connector on there as well. So going forward, we know that VAG is going to be using this on Type-C. We've also as well spec'd this, it's got a HDMI socket as well as those 2 RJ45 LAN connections, as I mentioned. So we've covered the main 2 aspects of the dealer diagnostic kit, but this third one is an absolute essential piece of kit if you're truly going to class yourself as a specialist. This is the IDU2 kit. So this is the diagnostic unit that's really going to set you apart. It's going to enable you to do all those really important tests, such as the turbocharger, the EGR, and of course that timing chain stretch test that most people we've seen try to get compensation back from JLR for vehicles under warranty. So again, it's an absolute essential piece of kit for you. Let's take a look inside the box. So inside the cardboard box, we have our kit content sheet, and we have a rugged plastic JLR branded IDU2 Diagnostics case. Inside the plastic case, we have an instruction manual, we have the main IDU2 unit device, and then we have an arrangement of cables and connectors. Now these cables and connectors are specific for certain types of vehicle models and also to perform certain tasks. So all have unique, specific different ends for connecting to the components. In total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 main cables. We have a fused link, we have a USB cable and a micro USB cable. We also have a noise, vibration and harshness detector, a strap, further additional cable harness. These are the ends for the NVH device. We've got our mains power cable attachment here, along with an additional cardboard box that contains the glue, and that's the kit contents for the IDU2. So that's the main kit covered and that important IDU2. If you're going to be really getting involved with coding and programming and taking on those really challenging jobs, then you're really going to need a battery support unit. So the JLR approved unit is a traction support unit rated at around 70 amp. However, we would recommend, as we have done with our laptop, up-speccing. So we would recommend the GYS, the 12112 CNT. That's rated at 120 amp as opposed to the 70 that JLR have approved. Plenty there to keep you covered for all eventualities. Once you've got your battery support unit and you're doing those coding and programming jobs, then you're going to need some help and some support. So we offer our DTS, our dealer tool support, alongside as well of our 2-day JLR training course. If you want to know more about our DTS and the training courses, then click the link in the description. So if you really want to become a specialist in repairing Jaguar Land Rover vehicles, we've just gone through all of the kit and the hardware that's required. You're going to need to know where to buy your subscriptions, how to get your technical support. You're going to need to know quite a lot of other really important bits of information. And that information is available in our buyer's guide on the screen now.